I welcome you this online video tutorial. In this lecture, I will be talking about the homogeneity of time and conservation of the mechanical energy. So, this mechanical energy, it is the sum of the potential energy and the kinetic energy. How it is being conserved by considering this homogeneity of the time. So, this homogeneity of time means that physical property of the closed system, physical properties of closed system, it remains unchanged, for any arbitrary shift of origin of time, arbitrary shift of origin of time. That is the meaning of the conservation homogeneity of the time. Homogeneity of the time. If you change the origin of the time, then the physical property of the closed system. This is most important. Closed system means it will not interact with the outside object. Inside the object, the interaction will take place among the particles. But outside outside external force do not have any effects, and that is why it is said to be the closed system. So the physical property of the closed system, it will remain unchanged if we change the origin of the time. Or in other words, it implies that the state of motion of the closed system at every moment of time, it is as good as other. So the closed system means the particle of the system. Closed system means particle of the system, they interact with one another. And but not with the other bodies lying external to it. External to it do not have any interaction, so that is said to be the closed system. So closed system will have the Lagrangian, and homogeneity of time, it dictates that it is not dependent of time explicitly. So if it is not dependent on time explicitly, so therefore the Lagrangian del L by del T, that is equal to 0, because L does not depend on the time explicitly. So if del L by del T equal to 0, it means we can write down Qj dot, then del L by del Qj dot minus L, which is equal to constant, and that is equal to H, the Hamiltonian. H is the Hamiltonian of the system, Hamiltonian of the system. So that Hamilton equations, we have got this equation Qj dot del L by del Qj minus L equal to L, or this is summation of Qj dot, and this is Pj minus L equal to H. When L does not depend on the explicitly on the time, del L by del T equal to 0. So when for arbitrary shift of the origin of the time, the property of the system do not changes by the homogeneity of the time. The Lagrangian does not explicitly depend on time. Therefore del L by del T equal to 0. If del L by del T equal to 0, then using the Hamilton's equation of motion, Qj dot del L by del Qj minus L equal to constant. So Qj dot into this canonical momentum minus L equal to H. So during the motion of the mechanical system, this NQJ, Qj is the generalized coordinates, and NQJ prime, that is the generalized velocity. N is the number of degrees of freedom. N is the number of degrees of freedom. So number of degrees of freedom into this generalized coordinate, and number of degrees of freedom into the generalized velocity, they vary with time. But some function of these quantities during the motion, that remains constant. See, these NQJ and nqj prime. This is the generalized coordinates. This is the degrees of freedom, generalized velocity and the degrees of freedom, and they vary with time. They vary with time. But some functions of these quantities, during the motion, they remains constant in their values, and such functions are known as the integral of motion. This is known as the integral of the motion. So these integrals are always conserved. The integrals are always conserved, and that conserved means the total mechanical energy of the system is conserved. Total mechanical energy is conserved. So the mechanical energy of the closed system is conserved. Mechanical energy, total mechanical energy of a closed system is conserved because of homogeneity of time. So it is valid not only for the closed system but also the system in a constant external field. System in a constant external field, this del L by del T equal to 0. So that tells us that how the homogeneity of the time, it refers to the conservation of the mechanical energy. Thank you.